Benehal 6175 is carbon N95 cup style with valve. Each Benehal product has Verify code on box. Certified by CDC NIOSH and other certifications. It's safe and reliable to wear to get protection. Made by professional manufacture process. Make better stitching and quality control. With active valve for breathing. Can apply to wearers who find it difficult to breathe. With carbon layer filter particle coating. Not only does it filter particulate matter, it also filters out most of the harmful gases, so can get a better filtration effects. Can be used in biology and chemistry protection procedures. Benehal committed to providing standardized and quality N95 masks. N95 Instock has a good licensing relationship with Benehal. Choose the best products for you. Guarantee they are genuine with primary source and fresh date. And also can do bulk wholesale, OEM logo printing and personalized service.